The Great Pebble Share. In Sunny Meadow, 4 best friends, Rowan the squirrel and Clover the rabbit, found a sparkling treasure chest. Inside were 468 shiny, colorful pebbles. Hooray, they cheered. Let's share them equally. Their friends, Barnaby the bear and the wise Professor Hoot, came over to see. Barnaby scratched his head. But how do we divide 468 pebbles among the 4 of us? That's such a big number. Professor Hoot adjusted his glasses. Don't you worry. Dividing a big number is like climbing a tall tree. We just do it 1 branch at a time. We start with the biggest part, the hundreds. Our number is 468, explained Professor Hoot. The first digit, 4, is in the hundreds place. That means we have 400 pebbles. Can we divide 400 pebbles among 4 friends? Clover the rabbit hopped with excitement. Yes, 4 divided by 4 is 1, so we each get 100 pebbles. Together, she and Barnaby started counting out 100 pebbles for each friend. Exactly, hooted the professor. Now what's left? We look at the next digit, the 6 in the tens place. That means we have 60 pebbles left to share from the main pile. Rowan the squirrel chittered. We can give everyone 10 pebbles each. That uses up 40 pebbles. He carefully passed out 10 more pebbles to each friend's pile. We had 60 and we used 40. That means we have 20 pebbles left from the tens pile, said Barnaby. And don't forget the last digit, the 8 from the ones place. So we have 20 plus 8, which is 28 pebbles left in the chest. Now for the final step, said Professor Hoot. What is 28 divided by 4? All the friends shouted together, 7! They carefully counted out the last 7 pebbles for each of them. Each friend had a beautiful pile of pebbles. They had 100 plus 10 plus 7. That's 117 pebbles each. Sharing big numbers wasn't hard at all. It was just taking it 1 step at a time, from hundreds to tens to ones.